The daily maintenance of fully automatic fruit juice beverage production line processing equipment and beverage filling production line machines is of vital importance for ensuring the stable operation and use of the equipment and guaranteeing product quality. The following are key points to note, compiled based on the characteristics of the equipment and industry experience. I. Equipment cleaning and disinfection. E. Daily cleaning. Water treatment system. Check the pressure difference of the filter and replace the filter element in time. Reverse osmosis membranes should be cleaned regularly to prevent scaling. Mixer and pipelines. Use a CIP in-place cleaning system to prevent syrup residue from breeding bacteria. Check the sealing of the valve. Filling equipment. Clean the filling valves and bottle mouth seals to prevent beverage residues from corroding or clogging. Labeling machine. Clean up label waste and glue residue and keep the sensor sensitive. The filling machine and pipelines must be thoroughly drained after the machine stops to prevent the accumulation of water from breeding microorganisms.